What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, and today we're going to be recreating Star Shopping by Lil Peep. If this video is helpful, if you enjoyed it, please click like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications, that way you never miss a new video, you never miss a new tutorial. Let's jump into it. So I've got a new Ableton set here opened up. I'm going to start all this from scratch. We're going to build the stems for the songs in Ableton, and then I'm going to export the stems into Pro Tools, and we're going to add the effects, vocals, mix and master from there. So obviously we need to start out with blah 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 blah, the guitar part. I gotta remember how to record in Ableton. Cool, input for our mic, output to our speakers. So now, check, 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 we have audio, cool. Check, 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 haha. Now we're gonna grab our good old trusty G fiddle. I think I want to say our BPM is about 93. Enable our record. Up. We only need one. Voila! Now we're gonna make a little magic happen. Copy and paste. Sounds weird. I think when we put reverb on it, it'll sound fine. Bam, effects. Bam, reverb. That already kind of sounds like the song a little bit. Now we need beats! So I'm gonna go into samples and we're gonna find a kick drum. Yay. I like that one. Cool. Ooh. Ooh. It's kind of thick. I just spit all over the camera. Now what we got for snares? I like that one. She fat. Like a clap maybe. That's pretty cool. And then like a snap maybe. A little Thanos action. Wow. So we're gonna turn those down. Hey. Okay, much better. Turn it all down though, because it's fucking loud. Beautiful. Now, what the hell's the kick pattern? Cool. Sounds like trash. Fucking bops, bro. All bops, all day. Something like that is gonna be close enough, you know? Like, it's not fun if we're just like cookie cutter and the shit, you know what I mean? Consolidate and duplicate. I think my guitar playing was really bad, actually. Whatever, it doesn't need to be perfect, right? It's fine, everything's fine, I'm fine. Now we need some bass. Nah. It's not what I want. That's perfect. Let's hear it in context. Okay, tight as fuck. So we're in Pro Tools now, and I'm going to import all of the stems that we made in Ableton. File management is important. Name your shit so you remember what it is. All the waveforms here, add, done, bam, 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 new tracks, let's go. So we brought them in here to lay down the vocals. So Peep liked to stack his vocals, so we're gonna do the same. We're gonna do at least 3 of them. Wait right here. I'll be back in the morning. I know that I'm not that important to you, but to me, girl, you're so much more than gorgeous. So much more than perfect. Okay, so we got all the vocals laid down. We have them triple stacked, so there's 3 of the same vocal file on top of each other. I've got a little bit of tuning going on, and now I'm about to send this to some reverb, because all of Lil Peep's songs, his vocals are very, very reverbed out. I have the Abbey Road reverb plates here. Compression, never heard nobody even out the vocal.
Be back in the morning. I know that I'm not that important to you, but to me, girl, you're so much more than.
Nothing crazy, just a little touch, and then I'm gonna put a little limiter on here to make sure they don't go above a certain threshold.
Be back in the morning. I know that I'm not that important to you, but to me, girl, you're so much more than gorgeous.
Now let's turn that reverb back on.
Be back in the morning. I know that I'm not that important to you, but to me, girl, you're so much more than gorgeous.
I want the guitar to come up a little bit. Same thing with the guitar. I'm just cutting out some of the dookie frequencies and bringing up the level a little bit.
Some time while I work on it, losing your patience, and girl, I don't blame.
Now I think there's like a little, they add another instrument or 2 at the end of the song. There's a little piano that they have in there. That was sexy. I really need to get a MIDI keyboard. Okay, just a piano. Let's not make this this complicated. That'll work. What are the notes? Like at the end, kinda.
Falling to pieces. Look at the sky.
And just send it to the reverb so that it's more airy.
Falling to pieces.
Hey, y'all. Alright, let's hear it.
Wait right here. I'll be back in the morning. I know that I'm not that important to you, but to me, girl, you're so much more than gorgeous, so much more than perfect. Right now I know that I'm not really worth it. If you give me time, I could work on it.
Okay guys, so there you have it. That is how you write and record a Lil Peep song, specifically recreating Star Shopping. If you want to hear the entire song, I will have a video link for it in the video description below once I get the video uploaded for it. Also, again, if this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I upload videos every single day. I got guitar tutorials. I have other types of guitar content. So again, if you're interested in any of that, like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next video.